Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Aguilar and this is an analysis of Beefbank's digital footprint. In this video, it will outline Beefbank's online presence, evaluation of their current digital communication strategy, and recommendations to improve the integration of their digital communication strategy. In identifying the entity's digital footprint, online search techniques and social media analyzers were used. In the search engine of Google, Beefbank's result is prominent on the very first page. The entity's website is ranked top of the list, followed by other organizations' related mentions of Beefbank. In comparison to another search engine, which was Bing, the results were very similar. However, by changing the keyword and adding a space in the word Beefbank, this produced a much different result. There were only a few mentions in the first page with no link to their website. Users might find it difficult to locate the website using the Bing search engine. In Beefbank's social media presence, specifically Facebook's, it only has 223 followers and 239 likes on their page. A website's tool named Likealyzer has been applied to produce a report in sync with Facebook's analytics. Based on these results, there were no engagement or interaction with other Facebook pages. The organization has minimum activity with only a few posts each month. Each of the page's posts has under 10 or 15 likes. In their Instagram page, they have a total of 7 posts for the year. They currently have 24 followers and there is no information about them on the bio of their Instagram. This is a crucial part because a small description is where the viewers start to read, judging from Instagram's hierarchy design. The viewers will then get drawn on the organization's use of images. And lastly, Twitter. With Twitter, there are only 2 number of tweets posted, with 1 retweet of another organization since they joined on July 2018. They currently have 6 followers and following 12 others. Twitter has a lesser activity than all of the other social media platforms. Organizing a digital communication strategy will help in knowing the organization's strength, weaknesses, audience, and analyzing it to effectively communicate their message. Here is a list of evaluation questions in regard to the question, what makes an effective digital communication strategy? Who? Who is the target audience of the organization? What? What are the goals and overall purpose of this organization? What are the current challenges that the organization is facing? What incentives or benefits can people gain? And what message is the organization sending? Which channels are more effective to communicate to the audience? How? How can the organization build an online community? How is a digital platform important to the audience? An evaluation template is provided to assess the present progress of Beefbank's digital communication strategy. Number 1. Background and introduction. What are the goals and overall purpose of this organization? Beefbank's goal is to continually provide meals for the homeless, elderly, single parents, and families who can't afford their meals. No target goal was specified in the website. However, it showed the total of meals produced in 2017 and the updated meals produced currently this year. What are the current challenges that the organization is facing? There are not enough followers of people on their social media pages. Relaying their message across in digital platforms and needing to gain online followers is their digital communication challenge. What benefits can people gain? On Beefbank's website, the donors have the option to purchase any first aid, survival kits, lawn mowers, and coffee machine while supporting the charity. What message is the organization sending? As part of a digital communication, the content must grab the audience's attention by using a tagline or an image. Beefbank's website has a powerful image and message that says everyone deserves a warm meal, followed by an effective call to action, turn the tables on hunger. Number 2. Audience and channels. Who is the audience? Beefbank's target audience is of any age bracket, especially volunteers who are willing to participate in the charity's future fundraising events. What channels are used to effectively communicate to the audience? Beefbank has several social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These are used to promote and attract the users of each platform for future possible donors. Number 3. Digital communication. How is the digital platform important to the audience? Social media is commonly used as a tool for communication and promotion of business or organizations. This enables the audience to share information with friends about the promoted events, such as fundraising, annual dinners, and the achieved milestones. How can the organization build an online community? An online community is beneficial for online support. Audiences can be approached easier by producing creative content and displaying Beefbank's link to their website for more information. The online presence of Beefbank is currently not consistent because of the minimum activity and post each month. Recommendations will be shown to improve the integration, efficiency, and success of the entity's current digital communication strategy. The first recommendation is to improve Beefbank's online presence. This can be done by evaluating the digital platform's analytics, analyzing the cause of the problem, and make alterations for improvement. This can be enhanced by consistent posting of quality content, regular updates, and awareness of the social media trends. Reaching out to another platform such as YouTube is beneficial. The organization can reach out to well-known YouTubers to feature the charity at the end of their videos and put the website's link in the description. This video could potentially reach globally and can help boost Beefbank's visitors on their website and social media platforms. Measuring the progress. If any of the recommendations were implemented, the organization can then measure the effectiveness. Based on Kaufman and Horton's valuation model to identify the organization's performance, there are 4 options available. The first one is counting metrics. This involves by measuring the volume of users' engagement based on their social media likes, web traffic, analytics, mentions, and shares. This can be collected and further studied to learn more about the audience's interaction with the platforms. The second one is the foundation metrics. This is used to evaluate the interaction, engagement, influence, advocacy, and impact by calculating the specific data and produce the overall result. The next measuring process is the stage of outcome metrics. This can be acquired data on the public's response. This can be evaluated in a series of questions such as: are there new interests in volunteers? Have people become aware of the organization? Are there committed numbers of people to volunteer for events and registrations? Is there a high number of shares and mentions of the organization? Any positive reviews? Were there any returning or satisfied customers? The last measuring procedure is the business value metrics. This outcome will explain the business and financial results based on the revenue, profit, and brand awareness. The data will be collected to compare the results from the previous evaluation and the present.